Those in favor that the House do receive and accept the report as tendered by the majority leader and the party whip, say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Move for adoption of the recommendation.
Mr. Speaker and esteemed colleague, I rise to move for the adoption of recommendation as presented and ruled by the Speaker. The esteemed colleague, I so move.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to support the adoption.
In accordance to the recommendations that we have before us, having considered the report of the 7-man panel constituted by the Chief Judge of Oyo State to investigate allegations of gross misconduct against the Deputy Governor, he was found culpable, indicted of all allegations, all complaints found, proved, and upheld. Secondly, we hereby recommend for the approval of the House, pursuant to Section 188(9) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 99 as amended, that the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, His Excellency Engineer Rauf Aderemi Olaniyan, stand removed from the office with effect from today, Monday, 18 July 2022. Those in favor that the House do adopt the recommendation in this report, say aye.
Aye.
Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. On this day, 18 July 2022, the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Engineer Rauf Aderemi Olaniyan, stands removed from office with immediate effect.
Mr. Speaker and esteemed colleague, I rise to call for the adjournment of this sitting to
11:45.
to 12 p.m. Today, 18 days of July 2022 by 12 p.m. The esteemed colleague has so.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to second that this House do adjourn till 12 p.m. 18th July 2022.
Those in favor that the House do adjourn to 12 p.m. say aye.
Aye.
Those against, say nay. The ayes have it.